Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am showing you a fun project share that I have created featuring my latest Beebeecrafts order. So these are some of the things that I recently got from Beebeecrafts. They're displayed here in this amazing little tray that came from FabFitFun. I love this little three-tiered tray. It's great for working with different things. You can see I have bubble tea, candies, beads. These are the other two things that came in my latest order, and I used a lot of them in some recent projects. So this one here, I've created a little clipboard, and so I'll show you the clipboard itself and everything that I put on it. So this is a perfect fun little Happymail project. So here is the clipboard, and I've been inspired by Alicia of Loveletter Generation and Stephanie. They have made these fun little clipboards. I have noticed them post them, and I've always wanted to try them. So I created a small little one here, and I'll show you all the different things that I used to stack up on my clipboard as a little Happymail share for Pen Pal. So here's a cut apart, little like journaling kind of card. And then here I created a flag banner with just some of the die cuts and little flower. So that's some fun little pieces here. I created an itty bitty teeny tiny little pocket letter, which is just so fun. I really love mini things, and it wasn't easy, I'll tell you that. The first one went together fine, and the second one, I had the hardest time getting them to all line up. But anyway, I finally created a little mini pocket letter. I've made these fun little embellishments with just some dies and popping up some ephemera stickers and flowers. I've gifted my pen pal one of my butterflies. And this is a fun little heart-shaped shaker pocket, and then it's backed with some paper. And then one of my recent, I have a video for this I can link for you here, and this is the tutorial I made with these little Happymail paperclip embellishments that I created with my latest wax seal kit. So this is how it all comes together, but the thing that I used to really add that extra special touch were these fun charms from Beebeecraft. So what I did was I took two different size clothespins and I created some little beads, and I found ones that coordinated with the colors of these fun little candy packages and gummy bears. And then I created this little paper dangle with one of those beads, and then I used my jump rings and my lobster clasp from this little kit here to find a way to hang it, and that was really good. It was Septeria that I will link down below. She has a little tutorial on how to make these fun paper tassels, and then I just put it all together. So I put the cut apart first, and then I add the little flag banner that I created. I'll put in a little piece of this sparkly ribbon, and then I come in with that on there. These I just fold together so that they sort of layer up in the Happymail here, so that it's you can get a little peek of everything that's inside, but you can't really see everything that's there. So I just line them up, and then I use my decorated little Beebeecraft paper clip to really jazz up the creation here. And it's fun because it's so bright and colorful, and like I said, you get a little peek of what's coming, but then there's a real surprise as you peel through the layers. I've made a second one, and I have other videos as well where I've created more of these safety pins and beautiful dangles for the sides of mini albums, but these ones here are the other 3 that I've created. So again, I've got the package of candy, the gummy bear, and one of these little fun paper tassels. And I'll show you all the different layers here in the Happymail. So there's this fun little embellishment there, another little pocket letter, another little heart shaker, one of my handmade butterflies, and then there's this little flag banner, this cute little cut apart, and then here is this one. So after my friend uses all of the embellishments for different projects that they're working on, they still have this fun little clipboard left over that they can attach things to, or they can take off the little individual charms and paper clips and things, or safety pins that are here, and they can use those on their projects. So that's everything there. Now I have a special little treat for you. My daughter wanted to share, and I think a lot of us can relate to this. How many out there remember as a child having sticker books? So I'm gonna have my daughter come on, and she is gonna show you her sticker book that she's been creating. And this is gonna bring back memories for you guys. If you're anything like me, you had a sticker book when you were a kid. And so here is my daughter. She's 9 years old, and here is her sticker book. Are you going to tell them about your sticker book?
Christmas time.
So we've got a page devoted to Christmas. Let's keep it just up here so that everybody can see it. We've got a page devoted to Christmas.
Halloween.
And a page devoted to Halloween. And what is this one devoted to? It's still devoted to Halloween as well, isn't
Dancing.
it? Dancing. This one's my favorite page. I love these. These are really fun stickers here with the black and white pumpkins.
They're all dressed up.
They're all dressed up. All the pumpkins are dressed up for Halloween.
Puppy time.
That one is puppy time.
Food.
And all the foods. And so this brings me back to when, and this is Jupiter, by the way, her favorite little friend. And so anyway, this brings me back. I used to collect stickers and put them in a binder, and this love of stickers has carried through to my paper crafting with me as an adult, and it'll be interesting to see if my daughter is the same. So thank you so much for watching. I'll leave links down below to every thing that I got from Beebeecraft here so that you can see if you're interested in ordering any of these. I also have a code that has a discount of $5 off if you use Polka5 when you spend $40, and you also get free shipping when you spend $40. And when everything that I ordered here actually came with my latest order, and it was $40, and I've already used so much stuff. It's amazing how much I've already been able to create with it all. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.